Alright, back testing market open. So just pretty much get straight into it today, no fluffing around. Today was a difficult day, I'm not gonna lie. I did take a trade today, as you can see it was a loser. It's all good. It's all good. Let me explain kind of why I guess I took that loss. So start off on the hourly time frame. What was I looking for? See, this is where I went wrong here. I can already see what I've done wrong. Hourly time frame. What was I looking for? I was bullish for the day because on. What? Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, dumbass. Bullish for the day. Why was I bullish? We had previous day high, which was not very far at all from us. We also had tested that fair value gap. Yeah, we had this fair value gap. We had these fair value gaps protecting us. Whoops. And yeah, overall just very bullish for the day. You know, it went uptrend. Tested these fair value gaps close to previous day high. It's like, okay, sweet. That's enough for me. Anyway, our open. What do? We open and we pretty much rip to previous day high on NQ, and then on ES we pretty much just consolidated. We didn't do much while NQ was kind of ripping. So there was a trade, I believe, at market open that I didn't take that would have actually played out, but or no, it was around here. So the first initial trade that I could have taken, I believe it was this one here. So I could have taken this. We'd taken previous day high. What time was that trade? 9:50. I still feel like there was an earlier one. Nah, there might have not been. Maybe that was the trade. Sorry for this fluffing around. I believe that would have been the trade actually. Yeah, on the 1 minute here, that could have been a potential long, because we did have, we made our move up, consolidated, then I guess a little tiny manipulation, then showed strong bullish out of here. That would have been the trade there. But I did not take that just because, yes, we were in a range, but that's only to learn like when we're about to break out of the range, when it is okay. Like example for my trade today on ES, like that was bad, and why I shouldn't take a trade in those sort of ranges. So anyway, we were ranging in here. That was a potential long. I actually did enter this trade, but my tape, like I got a real bad fill and it was up there, so I did close out of that trade. So that trade would have been beautiful, but unfortunately I was wrong. Then what do? We still, see, this is where I could have gone wrong. So here we still have an SMT of previous day high. The red lines is previous day high. So we had an SMT of previous day high. When we take these highs, we literally consolidate there, showing no reason to want to go higher. So you see when we take previous day high, boom, straight through it, Continue go. We take this high, we consolidate around here, fluff around, then boom, we sell off. And what do we do on ES? We come up, then consolidate, then boom. So my trade on ES, I believe, was a 1 minute inverse. It's actually definitely, that 1 minute inverse there. Took the trade based off of that. Should I have taken this? No, because look, 1, 2, 3 low volume candles to inverse this. We're not showing that we want to push through it compared to this move here. Fair value gap, we go test it once, twice, and then boom, we show a nice candle pushing through it, kind of thing. I guess that's how I could look at it. I need to kind of test this a bit more in the future. So yeah, I entered this trade. We just literally consolidated, then boom, stopped me out. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Just a very rangy day. Like I probably shouldn't have even traded today. Well, December price action's just ass. But yeah, my daily bias for the morning was correct. But then obviously we've come down and just consolidated the rest of the day. So what I need to learn is to be a bit more patient. And I guess to just not take a trade like this. Like, look at that. I should not be trading in that. We're in a range. No strong candles wanting to inverse that. It's just not a good trade at all. So yeah, definitely shouldn't have even taken this. This one here was good if I got the good fill and actually taken it properly, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm trying to think what else I've done wrong here. Okay, just pretty much we were in a range, just this setup just was not good either. So yeah, with that being said, I'm probably going to leave it at that. I'm still trying to think what I can go over. But yeah, there's nothing really. Just, yeah, be mindful of those ranges and be better with your emotions. So that being said, I'll leave you to it, and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.